Hi YouTube, RV Jerry here again. Dog's barking. Hey, I got two new products here. For me it's new. We got a MoFi and we have two of these directional antennas. We're going to run all that TV stuff in our network over these two items. Let's see, this is the MoFi and it came all the way from Canada. Its shipping box is no protection, but here the unit is. Information about how you can get in contact with them. I guess the Canada people. Antenna, have a long cable. I think that's supposed to be 35 feet. Here's something important you probably shouldn't throw away. A root password. The username is root and the password is admin. Well, let's see what we got in this nice little box here. We have all kinds of warning paper, two big paddle antennas, a start guide, quick easy start guide, it comes with a this is a SIM holder. There's three of them in there, three different SIM holders, different sizes. That was good. And we have a yellow network cable, some screws, like if you were going to put it on the wall or something. And we have a Wi-Fi antenna. And I'm curious, both those Wi-Fi antennas say they're 2.4 gigahertz. And these antennas, the big paddles, they say they're 4G/LTE/LTE2. We have a power supply. And we have the unit itself. Boy, that's really small. I think that's smaller than the ones that I'm seeing them post. But that's fine. And the antennas screw right into here. Paddle screw right into here. Power goes right here. Then we have a the internet or a WAN connection, and this would be for your wired network. SIM card goes right in here. So the 2 gigahertz antennas, and the paddles. Okay, we got these paddles on here. I couldn't figure out any other way. One has to be facing this way, the other one has to be facing the other way. That's just by the mechanics of the way they screw on there. And we have these are our Wi-Fi antennas. These are our Wi-Fi antennas. Hope I got that in there. We're going to actually try this. We're going to just take the SIM out of my phone. This came with one of those little goodies to get your SIM out. Okay, we'll take this one out. And my SIM only goes in one way. And it snaps in. Make sure it's all the way in. It's got a plastic cover on the top, so that has to be on the bottom side. And this should go right in. That looks like it. Now we need is power. Power. And we need to plug this thing in. These little lights are doing their thing. All I see is the first one blinking. It's doing like my phone, like, okay, we don't have a 4G LTE connection. That's a T-Mobile SIM. Okay, now it's got a green light and the Wi-Fi little symbol is lit up. I got network things at the end connecting, they're lit up. Well, now they're dark. I've got an internet connection that's lit up, and now it looks like we have three. We have power, internet connection, and a wireless connection. So going to see what my wireless connection is. There it is. I have a MoFi network connection. I'm going to click on it. It says connecting. It says connected. Wow, that's cool. That was easy. Now let's run that speed test. We're getting nothing before. Let's see what we get this time. These two little things down here are still doing a finding server. Finding a provider. It found T-Mobile provider. And South Valley Internet, San Martin, California. It's always coming up with different cities. It's my test. This is my upload speed. So there it goes. My download megabytes is 0.14 and my upload is 1.76 megabits per second. That's really an awful. Okay, we're going to stop this. We're going to go ahead and get those antennas up, and we'll go from there with the antennas.